And we are in front of the new Boxlife 504. Ducato standard chassis, and on this side we have 4 deep cabinets over the kitchen top, not bad. And then in the front side we have the Dometic fridge, not the biggest but it's okay. Dometic 2 burners and 1 sink with additional 3 cabinets for your kitchenware belongings. Not so bad. Then an additional cupboard storage unit down there. We shall be going into the back after we check this bathroom. Understand? Oh, it's pretty dark. I will not be searching now for the lights, but yeah, there you have it. Not the biggest one, but it's actually okay. And this is the new toilet without actual cassette, but you just use buttons and then this gets folded up. Not fan of that. Then on the back, additional cupboard units, pretty deep on both sides, and I will be measuring the bed that actually foldable up and down from the back. Going in to the back side, we have this up and down bed with the measures of 1.1 from this side and 1.3 from that side. Not the widest, but it's okay for 2 people. And then we have pretty wide storage unit area, and it's 1.1 deep, and at the widest part from this situation 0.964. And if you want to fit a bike, well, you will be able to fit a bike on 1.8 on that side if you put up this part of the actual bed. Then getting around to get a final look of this new Boxlife 140Q.